Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at an image of one of the three founders of the Black Lives Matter movement, Patrisse Cullors, formerly known as Patrisse Khan Cullors. She is one of the three women who coined the phrase Black Lives Matter, the movement that expanded to become the Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation, which is the subject of a Department of Justice investigation into the whereabouts of the $90 million that was generated in 2020 in the wake of the George Floyd murder. The question that I've been asking for 5.5 years of investigating this organization is, where is the $90 million? She was in charge during the time in which the $90 million was generated during the summer of 2020, and the money has not been accounted for accurately yet. Hopefully, the Department of Justice will be successful.